Welcome to Modmount. Are you ready to explore the exciting world of trading and take your first steps toward financial knowledge? Let's dive in. So, what is trading? Trading involves buying and selling financial assets like stocks, currencies, commodities, and more. The goal? To make a profit from the price changes of these assets over time. Traders analyze market trends, global events, and economic data to make informed decisions. Sounds fascinating, doesn't it? But let's face it, trading can feel overwhelming when you're just starting. That's why Modmount is here to guide you. At Modmount, we believe knowledge is the foundation of success. Our education center is designed with beginners in mind, offering a variety of resources to help you gain confidence in trading. Here's a sneak peek at what's inside. Introduction courses. Learn the basics. Get familiar with the fundamentals of trading anytime, anywhere. Trading terms. Master the language of trading and understand essential terms like leverage and spreads. Advanced lessons. Dive deeper into the markets with advanced topics for a stronger grasp of trading strategies. Economics. Discover how global events impact markets and why understanding the economy is crucial. ECN trading. Explore the benefits of ECN, a tool that connects you directly to the markets. Social trading. Learn how to trade collaboratively by observing and copying top traders. Want to master the tools of the trade? We've got you covered. MetaTrader tutorials. Learn how to use the industry-leading trading platform step by step. MetaTrader mobile. Trade on the go with confidence using our detailed mobile tutorials. In-depth courses and resources. Take your learning further with in-depth courses, comprehensive ebooks, and an extensive glossary to clarify any term or concept. With Modmount's Education Center, you're not just learning to trade, you're building a foundation for a brighter financial future. Thanks for watching, and be sure to consider to like and subscribe for more upcoming content. Enjoy your trading journey.